Good morning, I'm Meteorologist Chita Craft. Let me give you the latest here from the National Hurricane Center. We have two areas of disturbed weather, so these tropical waves sitting in the Atlantic just off the coast of Africa. But this one in particular, we have our eyes set to watch through the upcoming weekend. Let me show you why. Centered right over Turks and Caicos this morning, there is now a 60% chance from the National Hurricane Center that this elongated area of low pressure or area of disturbed weather, a cluster of thunderstorms, will continue to move in that westerly direction, moving into the easternmost portion of the Gulf of Mexico by the upcoming weekend. Let me show you some of the upper level wind currents, and I'll show you how we have what's supporting this. You can see the counterclockwise spin, and then what's going to limit really the rapid intensification is the upper level winds. It's expected to shear some of these thunderstorms apart, so it may stay disorganized. Either way, could be a rainmaker for areas just to our east. So this is why we will continue to monitor, stay on top of this very closely. At this point, it doesn't really seem like we're going to get any impacts from this area of low pressure as we head into the upcoming weekend. Of course, if that changes, we will let you know. Still that counterclockwise circulation. We're talking Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, where we could start to see an increased rain threat, especially late Saturday, Sunday, and early Monday. At this point, again, something to monitor as this is going to continue to push and pull here in these different direction. Let's talk about the PWATS. This is the tropical moisture here in the upper levels of the atmosphere as this low tries to move across the Florida Straits. And then again, because of the upper level winds, it just doesn't support this rapid intensification. It really looks like this is going to stay just to our east, but at this point, that big surge of tropical moisture, it could travel just east or west here. So that's why we're going to continue to monitor. What I can show you now, what current model guidance is saying. So at this point, possible tropical development if it would take on a name. The next name on the list is Umberto or a tropical depression. We will have to wait and see. Eastern Gulf this upcoming weekend, especially late Saturday into Sunday. That would be the best timeline. You just want to stay weather aware this week. It's a great idea. Check in the morning. Check in with our chief meteorologist, David Paul, of course, in the afternoon and evening. And then there you go. The next name on the list would be Umberto. We've had a pretty active week so far. Last week was active, which is timely because yesterday was the official peak of hurricane season. So I guess we can say we're kind of on the downhill slide, even though we're extremely still active in the Atlantic.